Use this meditation to make anyone you desire crawl and beg for your love. This meditation is crafted to align your subconscious mind with the reality where your person is extremely obsessed with you and would do anything to have all of your love and attention. Dive deep into this transformative experience and watch your desires manifest effortlessly. Now let's begin. They can't move on from me. Every time they try, they're hit with the painful reminder of everything they lost. Whenever they're with someone else, all they see is me. They can't help but compare, and no one ever measures up. Even in the most intimate moments, they absent-mindedly call out my name. It's burned into their soul. No matter who they kiss, touch, or try to be intimate with, they can't escape the thought of me. They are haunted by my presence, unable to enjoy anyone else because I'm all they want. Every time they try to flirt or move on, they slip up and say my name. It's humiliating for them, but they can't help it. The thought of losing me eats them alive. They are drowning in regret and misery. They lie awake at night, staring at the ceiling, replaying all the moments and wishing they could turn back time. They are miserable knowing they will never find anyone who can make them feel the way I did. Every time they try to get intimate with someone else, my image takes over their mind. They can't escape me. They are stuck on me like a sticker, unable to move forward no matter how hard they try. Their heart aches, their chest tightens, and they feel like they're suffocating without me in their life. They find themselves saying my name randomly, even in conversations. It's second nature because I'm all they think about. When they try to forget me, their mind rebels. Every memory of me becomes even more vivid. They can't even enjoy a casual hookup without picturing me. It drives them insane, but they can't stop. They miss the way I smelled, the way I laughed, the way I made everything feel perfect. They are haunted by the memory of my touch, my kiss, my everything. They can't escape it. Their friends are tired of hearing about me, but they can't stop talking about the one they lost. They feel physical pain at the thought of me being happy without them. It kills them inside. They have tried to move on, but every time they do, it backfires. They end up crying, thinking about me. Even when they're with someone else, they accidentally call out my name. It's humiliating, but they can't control it. Every new person they meet reminds them of what they'll never have again: me. They are desperate to hear my voice, feel my touch, and hold me again. It consumes their thoughts. They can't enjoy their life without me. It feels dull, meaningless, and empty. Their body rejects anyone else. It craves mine and mine alone. They dream of me every night, only to wake up and realize they messed up. They can't even say someone else's name without accidentally slipping and saying mine. It's instinctual at this point. They're miserable, thinking about all the ways they could have been better for me, and it's driving them insane. Every relationship they try to build crumbles because they are still obsessed with me. They feel like an idiot every time they call out my name in front of someone else, but it keeps happening. They are jealous, possessive, and miserable knowing I might move on, even though they can't. They regret every choice that led to losing me, and it feels like they are carrying a mountain of guilt. They are consumed by the thought of me. I'm in their mind, their dreams, their fantasies, every second. Whenever they try to kiss or touch someone else, it feels wrong because it's not me. Their soul is tethered to mine. They'll never truly be free of me, no matter how hard they try. They are stuck in a loop, obsessing over the life they could have had with me. They can't help but wonder if I've moved on, and it kills them to think I'm happy without them. They'd give anything to undo their mistake and have me back in their life. They feel incomplete, lost, and miserable knowing I was the best thing that ever happened to them. Their misery fuels their obsession, and they can't stop fantasizing about the day I'll forgive them. They can't stop thinking about me. I'm in their head day and night, haunting their every move. They will have no rest until they come back crawling and begging for my love. It is already done. Type, they can't escape the thought of me to affirm. And if you would like to get your desired person back as soon as possible, let me help you by manifesting them for you. You can sign up for me to manifest for you today at joybyjanell.com or by clicking the link in the description box below. Thousands of people's lives have already been changed with my manifestations. Subscribe for more content like this. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next meditation.